Facebook marketing is one of the most powerful ways to reach the right customers and grow a business. With over 3 billion active users, Facebook allows businesses to target people based on age, interests, behavior, and location. In this video, you'll learn how Facebook ads work and why they are so effective. First, Facebook provides advanced audience targeting. You can show your ads to people who are most likely to buy your products. This helps increase conversions and reduce ad spend. Second, Facebook offers multiple ad formats like image ads, video ads, carousel ads, Reels ads, and story ads. These formats allow businesses to communicate their message creatively and visually. Third, Facebook Analytics helps you track performance in real time. You can see which ads are working, how many people are engaging, and how much return you are getting from your investment. Effective Facebook marketing requires a strong strategy, including proper targeting, attractive ad creatives, engaging copy, and continuous optimization. Whether you're a small business owner or a growing brand, Facebook marketing can help you reach new customers, build trust, and increase sales. Start using Facebook ads today and take your business to the next level. Grow your business with Facebook marketing. Grow your business with Facebook marketing.